that is in front, you will require to be seated. You are required to be seated. During the national anthem, you are required to be standing. Immediately after national anthem, you also required to be seated. Then after that, the chaplain is going to carry on with the ceremony. When the chaplain is finished with the ceremony, there will be also another national anthem. You also required to be standing. Immediately after that anthem, you will be required to be seated again. Then the coffin is going to be taken to the gun carriage. During that movement, you also